In this video, I'm going to show you how to freeze column in Excel. So what you want to do is simply, of course, have some data inside your Excel. And then in case you want to, let's say, freeze the first 4 columns, just like I would like to. So 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, C, and D. You want to place yourself in the very next column. So column to the right of where you want to freeze. In my case, that's column E. Okay, you want to be placed in it, and that's one of the first options. So we can either select the whole column or simply select a cell that is to the right of the cells you would like to kind of freeze. So you can only freeze cells beginning with the first one, so you can freeze A, B, C, D, E, A, B, C, D, F, or however you'd like to, but you can't freeze just, let's say, from C to E. That's not possible. You have to freeze the first one as well. So what you want to do, as I said, is select the column to the right of what you would like to freeze. The right of what you would like to freeze. Go to View tab up here, press Freeze Panes, click on Freeze Panes, and there we go. As you can see, there's now a thin gray line over here, and if I scroll to the right, if I move to the right in this document, as you can see, the rows on the left are staying frozen all the time, no matter how far right I go, okay? And that's pretty much it. That's how you freeze columns in Excel. And if you would like to unfreeze them, simply come back to View, click on Freeze Panes, and then Unfreeze Panes, and there we go. They've now been unfrozen, and that's it.